Welcome back and welcome to Section 3. In Section 3, we're going to start designing our actual code that we'll ultimately use in our website. We're going to take a very methodical process at doing this. We're going to look at types and how types control the flow of the program in F# and in functional programming. We're going to look more deeply into pattern matching and continuations. We're going to be taking a look at discriminated unions and record types and many of the things that we can do with these characteristics of programming. So I look forward to seeing you in the rest of this lecture series, and I'll see you in the next lecture.